Transferring money from Wealthsimple to your bank account is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Wealthsimple account. Access the Wealthsimple app or visit the Wealthsimple website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Transfer section. In the app or on the website, go to the Cash or Invest tab depending on where your funds are held. For investment accounts, you may need to first sell any securities or liquidate assets if necessary. Initiate the transfer. Click on Withdraw or Transfer Funds. Choose the option to transfer to your bank account. Enter transfer details. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance. Select or add your bank account. Choose your linked bank account for the transfer. If your bank account is not linked, add your bank account details, including account number and routing number. Verify these details for accuracy. Review and confirm. Check the transfer details for correctness. Confirm and submit your withdrawal request. Wait for processing. Transfers usually take a few business days to process. Monitor your bank account and Wealthsimple for updates on the status of your transfer.